Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of January. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. Second thing, the rules can be reversed also, and third thing, if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. So let's start. And if you have any queries regarding any services, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. The previous mail is not working anymore. Let's see, Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Okay, honey. We have the Ace of Wands. Someone is thinking a lot about you intuitively. You might be getting their dreams, or you might be getting their images a lot. Like you might be seeing their name a lot because they are thinking a lot about you. Ace of Wands in this particular deck is intuitively connecting with somebody, telepathically, you can say. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as their feelings for you. We have the Nine of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. This person is visualizing having a future with you, having a partnership collaboration with you that is going to work out for the long term. Now, this is kind of a wish fulfillment for them. So, this is what this person is visualizing. This is what this person is thinking about regarding this connection between you and them. And this is kind of a wish fulfillment for them to see you guys together and having a beautiful future with you guys, between you. You can say, oh God. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from, oh my God, my hair, sometimes they just kill me. I love them, but sometimes they do irritate me. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? What's happening, honey? Three of Swords. You are still overcoming through some kind of pain. You are still like healing from some kind of breakup or separation or some kind of bad experience. Still heartbroken over something or someone. Let's clarify the Three of Swords here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the World card, the Four of Pentacles. Actually, you're releasing something. You're releasing something or someone, and that is quite painful for you. You're waiting for something to be over completely, something that you released or is still releasing right now at this present moment, and you're waiting for the time when you're going to be completely healed from this release, from this trapment. You are in this, you are in some kind of emotional trap, and when you're releasing it, I don't know, trapment is a word or not. I'm sorry. I just realized. Anyways, you are on the energy of purging right now, right? In the energy of purging right now, and the more you're purging, the more it's becoming painful for you to come back to normal energies. But you are doing it anyways. Actually, it takes a lot of courage and guts, but you're doing it. Very good, very very good. You're releasing something or someone that's not serving you anymore. It's painful, but you're doing it anyway. What this person wants, Six of Cups. They want this situation as it used to be at some point of time. You guys have a history together. It's not like a totally new person or totally new energy that's still lingering in your energies. This is somebody who wants the situation to be as it used to be in the past, and or they want a full-on reconciliation with you here. Let's clarify the Six of Cups. Someone is missing you like crazy. Can't stop thinking about you. Eight of Pentacles, King of Wands, Hierophant. Now this person is thinking about long term with you. Now this person wants to put in the effort and energy in this direction, wants to take the action in this direction and have a long term partnership kind of a deal with you, and or commitment or marriage kind of a deal with you if possible in this case. But they want to hold on to this connection as longer as they can, and they want this situation to be as it used to be at some point of time, very beautiful, very loving, very nurturing, and compassionate from both the sides. This is what they want, full on reconciliation with a long term partnership between you and them. This is definitely a person that you had a history with at some point of time. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Eight of Swords. You just want to get out of this mental jail. Continuously, you are in some kind of stressful energies of overthinking about everything that's happening in your love and relationship area. Just want to get out of that overthinking and this mental trap that you have created for yourself. The thoughts. kind of are killing you. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the King of Cups. See, you want to sort everything out with the particular person or situation, but from a distance. You want to keep yourself at a distance. You want to think about the situation from a distance. You want to understand each and everything about the situation, and you want to understand how deeply you love this person, how deeply you want this person in your life. Then you want to take the decision and make the choice, make the right choice here, make the final choice, you can say, in this direction. And before that, you have to like work on yourself. You are working on yourself by continuously trying not to overthink. That is what you're trying to do. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 12th of 19th of Jan. Sorry, this is a reading from 13th till the 19th of January, right? 19th of Jan. Let's see what's coming towards you. If I said the date wrong, then please forgive me. Judgment. I do see this energy of releasing and realizing something here, and then maybe a reconciliation, maybe a coming together, coming back together. Let's clarify the Judgment here. We have the Knight of Cups, the Two of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. Yes. Someone is going to express their feelings to you. Someone is going to like ask for forgiveness, ask for second chance or reconciliation. But something is still deceptive in this situation between you and this particular person. Maybe another person. Maybe the whole truth is not here regarding the feelings, the energies that they have for you, and or you are not fully ready. But whatever it is, there are chances of somebody coming back towards you with all of their heart and soul, but still there is some kind of deceptive energies regarding surrounding the situation that you guys need to be aware of and take care of before going in this direction of, okay, let's sort it out, or let's do it again, kind of a deal. Yeah, that's very important. For you, the guidance here is the Nine of Swords. You can't change and control each and everything in your life, Libra. Even if you are the most spiritual person or something, you will never be able to control each and everything in your life. You need to surrender, you need to let go. So instead of living in this anxious state of mind of, I have to change this, I have to control this, I have to control that person or that situation or this or that, live in the surrender energy and let go of things or people or situations that you can't control or change. That is what you can do from your side. That is the most important and courageous thing to do. But that is the only solution here for you guys. Understand the process. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.